So now we're going to show you how we load this deuce and a half in a modified Minuteman. What you need to accomplish this, you need two rolls that are rolled normal forward with the thread in, two rolls with the thread out, and then a double donut roll. We're going to use our straps and we'll use our hose tray as our measurement for our first 50-foot section. We'll go ahead and we'll connect our nozzle. And we'll start that flat load. If you pre-stage your straps, it makes it a little easier as you go along. What we want to do first is create our loop. So we take our nozzle and we put a Dutchman in it. Just like this. This gives us about an 8-inch loop at the end of our hose tray, and it protects our nozzle when we pull it off the apparatus. Go ahead and put your loop there. We also put a loop on the other side, about 8 inches past the tray. That allows us to deploy this off of the driver's side of the apparatus. Once we've accomplished that, we just go to the nozzle. Actually, this one is shorter. Pull that tight to match that first level. And then we go to the edge of the hose tray from there on. Once we've exhausted this 50 feet, we're going to connect our straps, capturing the nozzle and capturing the other end of the bundle. Again, just like with our high-rise loads, we put our straps so that they pull off in the same direction and the red is up. Once we've done that, we can lay it in our hose tray, get it positioned where we want it. You can see on this side we have 8 inches to grab, and if you look on the other side we have it roughly the same to help us unload the tray. From here, we're just going to continue laying this flat load in, just right on top of this setup. You can do the other side first. It doesn't really matter because once you get one side in, you can lay the other side flat beside it. And it's just stacking it straight, making it look nice. It's important that you roll this hose prior to loading it like we do our other hose loads to make sure that we get all the air out of the line. Set the coupling down right there. Then we grab our sections that are rolled normal. Set it in the hose tray. We get our pigtail for our pre-connect set up the way that we want it. Alright, and then we just roll this hose back and forth. Our first two layers go to the back of the handle on the hose tray. Our loops, as with our other hose loads, are set at 3 and 6. We want a good 4-inch loop on 3 3 and 6. That allows us to get a gloved hand into our hose line. And then we're back to our inside of the handle. Grab our other roll, we can connect it, and just continue the process. Again, hitting the 3 and the 6 time, or 6 loop. Pull that out. Yeah, what you need? Yeah. Give me a little bit more, dog. Pull this right there. You got what you need. Here you go. I would just go flush with it. Here you go. At this point, we have 200 feet loaded in our hose tray. This is where we typically connect our two sections and finish our hose load off. With this one, we have 250 feet, so we're going to take our double donut, set it in our hose tray, make our connections, and then we'll just roll this back and forth, flat load, making it look nice. Once we're done, line up all our edges. We lay it flat, and that's how we load our deuce and a half in the Modified Minuteman.